taught in the most prestigious institutions of Pakistan. If you want to learn computer science or information and communication technology with me, you can contact Valim.com. And now proceed to the lecture. And today I'm going to describe how a projector works. Right, as you all know, it's a part of the syllabus of O-levels computer sciences, and when I discuss with the students that where they find the problem, they often respond that they often forget how a DLP and LCD projector work. Right, although they memorize it, but they very quickly forget it. So today we will try to explain it in such a way that will help you to memorize the working of a DLP and LCD projector in such a way that you will not be able to forget it. Right. So first, what are projectors and how they work? Projectors are used as an output device, and they will display the output on either on an interactive whiteboard or a bigger white larger screen. So there are basically two types of projectors. One is called the DLP projector and the other one is called the LCD projector. Right, LCD projectors are the comparatively older one. They were invented in 1968, while DLP projectors were invented in 1987. Now we are going to discuss about the working of LCD projector first. Right, so LCD projector, this is the inner image of an LCD projector. What is present basically inside its box? You can see that there is a light source present in it. There are several mirrors, right, which are called chromatic coated mirrors, right, and these are present over here. They are used to reflect the light. When they reflect the light, the wavelength of the light is changed, right, and that single light source is used to transmit the lights on all these chromatic coated mirrors. Then they will be used to transfer the light towards these LCDs. Then these three LCDs are used to transfer the image on the prism, which is present inside over here, right, before the projector's lens. Right, so what is the first thing? A light source that is used to emit the light. Then the light falls on these chromatic coated mirrors. These chromatic coated mirrors are used to change the wavelength of the light, and you can see that the color of the light has been changed. This white light has been converted into red light, green light and blue light. When this light falls on these LCDs, then what will happen? That three different monochrome images have been formed. You must know about a monochrome image. Monochrome means that has a single shade, different shades of a single color, right? Means either the red LCD will definitely produce an image that is created with different shades of red color only. The green LCD will create an image that will be created through different shades of green color only. In the same way, the blue LCD will produce an image that will be used to have different shades of blue color image. Right, then these three images will fall on the on this prism that is present within inside this these LCDs. Right, this prism will be used to combine these three images, right, and will be reflected on the lens in the form of a colored image. Right, so this is the prism which is present. So what is the how the working and what is the way to arrange all these things? This is the light source. Then these are the chromatic coated mirrors which are used to reflect the light. When the light is reflected, its wavelength and color is changed. Right, then this light is reflected towards these LCD screens. Right, these LCD screens are used to form the monochrome images of three different colors, These images will fall on this prism, and prism will combine them and make a color image, right? Then through this lens, this image will be transferred on the whiteboard, right, or the bigger white screen, right? This is the working of a LCD projector. Now we are going to discuss how a DLP projector works. About DLP projector, you must have heard that there are millions of micro mirrors which are present on a DMD chip, right? And this chip, when it reflects the light, it forms the image, right? When more light is reflected, at that time the image that will be formed will be of a lighter tone. When lesser light will be reflected, then the image that will be formed will be of a darker tone, right? So how it will create basically a monochrome image. Monochrome, this black and white image, you can see that this dog, this picture has been created with different shades of gray color only. In the same way, this monochrome, this DLD chip will be used to create the image with different shades of gray, and it is basically a color wheel that is responsible to transfer the color on this DLD chip. So we will go through that phenomena as well, but first learn about this DMD chip. This is used to have millions of tiny, very very tiny, microscopically small moving mirrors, right? And these mirrors are made up of silver. They will be able to reflect the light. Now we will see how the different parts are arranged in a DLP projector. This is the light source there, and then there is a condensing lens that is used to transfer the image, transfer the light, and with the help of this, the light will be passed through this color wheel, right? Then this colored light will fall on this DMD chip, right, and that will be transferred through the final projector's lens, and in this way the image has been formed on the bigger screen, the white screen, right? So you can see that how a DLP projector works. It contains a DMD chip that contains millions of micro mirrors. When these micro mirrors are reflecting the light, it will create a lighter shade of the image. When it will transfer, or it will tilt in such a way that it will be transferring more light, right? Then the lighter color is formed. When it is transferring the lesser light, then the darker color will be formed on the screen. Have you ever noticed that you are able to reflect the sunlight through your watch, right? And if the watch is tilted, the light that is transferred is comparatively lesser one. But if it is directly facing the sunlight, then you are able to reflect more light, right? That exact phenomena has been used over here with the help of these chips, right? So you have seen how a DLP projector works. It contains millions of micro mirrors. When they reflect the lighter shade is formed. When it does not reflect the light, the darker shade, or when it is tilted or does not reflect the light, the darker shade is formed. So in this way, the different you can say monochrome images, where the different colored monochrome images will be formed and combined together. With the help of this lens, they are able to create a colored image. Now we are going to go through how what are the advantages and disadvantages of a DLP and LCD projector, right? So DLP projectors produce more sharper image, right? More sharper image. Their image is comparatively sharper, but LCD projector create more sharper image, but the quality of the DLP projector is that it creates exactly the dark black color, right? And that affects a lot, especially when you are using the projector to watch a movie in a cinema, right? That gives a lot of good effect. But and as compared to an LCD projector, DLP projectors are comparatively less expensive to whenever you have to go through any kind of maintenance, because maintenance cost a lot for LCD projector as it contains more parts, right? DLC projectors are containing comparatively lesser parts, so they are lesser expensive to maintain, right? And they are long life as well, right? While LCD projectors, although they produce a sharper image, but what happens when because they are LCDs are made up of carbon compounds, so they are deteriorated with time, right? So after a particular amount of hours, like 1000, 2000, 5000 hours, their life will be over, right? And you will have to change that, give it for repair, right? So this is the difference between LCD and DLP projectors, right? I have in detail explained how both of them work. Now this is the end from my side. So if you want to learn computer science or information technology with me, you can contact Waleed.com. Here are the contact details.